Enshuminche Ahindugire gavumenti ekatongoza omubazi gwa Lenakapavir omumarwariro agatorine muko muringo gumwe gw'okuhwera abantu na munonga abo bari aha rutezo ruhango rw'okutunga akakoko ka siriimu obutabakwata.
The demand is beyond the supply, but we're expecting more medicine in the country in the month of around September. So what I would advise, you go to your health facility and you are assessed. What is happening is that people, they go to the health facility, you are assessed, and they are put on a list. What we would say like a waiting list. So that when the medicine comes, you will be called upon and come and have your medicine.
Okurigira Dr. Herbert Kadama orukora nka coordinator w'ombazi ogwo mu Ministry y'ebyamagara na jang phase yo kubanza y'ombazi ogwo ekabetirwe mu center ba Global Fund abahire Uganda doozi rukwingana emitwaro 38 kuhera abantu abarikwingana omutwaro 19.
What I'm talking about in the 30,000, those are the new doses which we shall be receiving for new clients. For the old clients, they are covered because we are receiving their follow-on dose for the second injection in the month as we talk. This is July. Yeah, before the end of this month, we expect their doses, the follow-on doses after 6 months for the first group of the 19,200 to be in the country.
Orubuga Footpoto nurumwa myanya yaraganyirwa mu mubazi ogwo ayituru kugambira omubazi ogwo abanze kohezibwa mu Footpoto abantu bakagutabanira kandi amarwara agahirwa mu kuguhereza ngajyango rumuntu guhayo ayituru kugambira amarwara igana 3 nukugaruka gabo omubazi ogwo mu ihanga ryona kandi ministry nejyango mwakugwaza kwa nenda amarwara agari kurenga 3 gabe nuko gatanikire kugabo omubazi ogwo.
Currently this medicine can be got in 103 facilities that are spread all over the country. But if you want this medicine, you can go to your health facility. If they don't have, they will tell you which health facility has.
Omur Footpoto amarwarana nubwo gatorine gabo omubazi ogwo agaramwe rukure rya Footpoto bukuhere center ya kana kataraka here center ya kana hamwe na Kagoti health center ya kashatu.
Tujya kongera kusomesa abasa abandi kubongeraho abo abandi tukasoma bina ba trainers tujya kongera genda marwaro hansi kwegesa tujya kusaba ministry ukongera kwa creditinga amarwaro agande kongereza halgano agansomera hano kakabarole hano twetaga nkarutete health center konse miripani tandika na marwara gaina high volume izabantu abina afuka ko mwerero katijura na gandi ako ntugoza kurora gatandika.
Short phase of rollout because we are just rolling out a few doses that were donated, but the government will significantly invest domestic resources into purchasing enough injections to reach this group.
Amakuru agasha kwa Ndyamusiimanta.